Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to access Cpanel on Namecheap. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Namecheap and log into your dashboard. Once you're there, scroll down to the hosting list. If you have already purchased hosting, it will be displayed here. If you only have a domain and no hosting, you'll need to purchase one of Namecheap's hosting plans to access Cpanel. To get started, click on Get Started to explore their hosting plans. You can either go through their questionnaire to find a suitable plan or scroll down to choose one yourself. If you're looking for something basic, I recommend selecting the Shared Hosting option. You can adjust the pricing from yearly to monthly for a more budget-friendly option, starting as low as £3.50 per month. Once you've chosen a plan, click Get Started to purchase it. After purchasing your hosting plan, return to the hosting list in your dashboard. Locate your hosting. Mine is connected to the Stella plan. Click on Go to Cpanel to open your Namecheap Cpanel, ready for you to use and edit. Alternatively, you can access Cpanel by entering your domain URL followed by /cpanel in the browser search bar. This should redirect you to Cpanel. If this method doesn't work, use the first method instead. To manage your Cpanel settings, click on the Manage button. Here, you can modify settings like storage, IP address, and hosting name. You can also navigate to the Cpanel login page by clicking Copy Login Page and pasting it into your URL bar. Bookmark this link for easy access in the future. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below to let others know about your experience. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.